Hi, this is Phil Parrish, your 4-Minute Mentor, and we're talking about the absolute best things on the internet that are free. Now, some of these things that we'll be talking about have both free and advanced offerings, but in most of the cases, the free accounts are a great place to start and will help you get a lot of stuff done. I have to start with the whole Google suite of stuff, Google Docs and Calendar and Google Analytics, but especially Gmail is one of the absolute best free things on the internet. Now, I use Gmail for everything, and I have it set up so I can manage all of my email accounts. It allows me to receive and send my emails using any of my email addresses, not just Gmail email addresses. You can set up 5 different email addresses and get all of your mail in one place. And I'll be creating another couple editions of the 4-Minute Mentor just about Google tools. My next favorite free thing is WordPress, and if you look at all of my websites, I'm using WordPress for all of these. And whether you're using WordPress.com and having them host a blog for you, or using WordPress as a framework for your own website, it's really simple to use, and there are thousands of themes and plugins to do everything from having a simple website to creating forums and directories and doing e-commerce. Originally created by Sun Microsystems, OpenOffice is a great and powerful alternative to the Microsoft Office suite of products. Now, OpenOffice includes word processing, a spreadsheet, a database, and presentation software. I'm recording the sound portion of this presentation using Audacity, which is also free. It's an open source recording and sound editing tool. Easy to use. It's a multi-track audio editor and recorder for Windows and Mac and Linux and some other operating systems. The cool thing about Audacity is that you can record live audio. You can record computer playback on pretty much any Windows machine. You can convert tapes and records into digital recordings or CDs. You can edit a variety of sound files, including WAV and MP3. Then you can cut, copy, and splice or mix sounds together and even change the speed or pitch of a recording. LastPass integrates with most browsers and allows you to create passwords that are pretty nearly impossible to break or hack and keeps all of them available in one place, allowing you to log in with your password for each one of your password protected sites. Now, if you're like me, it is way too easy and convenient to have the majority of your passwords being the same thing over and over and over. And with LastPass, you can create long passwords, the ones that you should be using, with upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The Jing project was created by a company called TechSmith, and TechSmith is the publisher of Camtasia, which is for pretty sophisticated audio and video presentations. And the Jing project is, it's the baby brother. You can create and share images and videos right from your computer screen. So if there's something that you want to copy, you just highlight it, you click on it, you save it. But the really cool thing as far as a business application, it's perfect if you want to create a repository of how-to videos that you can share with people so you don't have to keep showing them how to do the same thing over and over. Just point them to the repository of videos. The other application that I use that is pretty handy is Dropbox. And Dropbox is great for storing files that in my opinion, aren't super confidential in nature. You are putting stuff up on the web, so if you're uncomfortable with that, don't put the mission critical business or personal stuff there. But what I do is I use Dropbox for items that I want to share with clients and friends and family. Dropbox allows me to store and retrieve files from all of my devices. I use it on my desktop and laptop computers along with my phone and my tablets, so I can access everything on the go, PowerPoint files and documents and images and photos. GIMP is an open source image manipulation program that performs many of the same editing functions and retouching tasks as Adobe Photoshop, but instead of the big old heavy price tag on Photoshop, GIMP is free. Join Me is what I use when I want to have a quick meeting where I can share my screen and talk to up to 10 people at once. MMI Scan allows you to create a free dynamic QR code where even after you print it, say on a brochure or a business card, you can go back in and change the destination URL of that QR code. You can also see how many people have scanned it. The free account also allows you to create a social networking QR code where you can have a QR code when somebody scans it, they see a link to your Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn pages. UPCbarcodes.com has a GTIN to ASIN converter, and then the other way around, an ASIN to GTIN converter. Now, a GTIN is another name for a UPC barcode or an EAN barcode, and the ASIN number is what Amazon shows you on their product listing page. So you go to Amazon, you find a product that you like, you copy that ASIN number, you pop it into the converter on upcbarcodes.com, and you can see that UPC barcode number. So go to upcbarcodes.com. Under the dashboard tab, you'll see that converter. I hope this has been a fun and interesting and useful group of items. I'm Phil Paris. I'm your 4-Minute Mentor, and I hope you have a great week. Thanks.